Hey guys, what's up? What's good? I should I say walk one. It's a girl Shan back with another video. Now today video, as you can see from my title, is a day in my life. So we gotta do not really whole heap of things, you know. Cause right now I'm not feel good, made that hurt me. So me go cook dinner and me go cream me here. But who know cream, no might know relax or no perm. But something. This I go straight. So look now, that's why I let it go so. If you get breeze, cause through me here natural out back. Me go with my mother creamy. And while we cook dinner. So meanwhile me here a cream, we cook dinner. And right guys, today me go cook I think barbecue chicken and rice and peas for dinner. So stay tuned.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history.
Y'all, this is the chicken I'll be cooking. But me not go cook it since I'm one basically in the kitchen. Me still a cut up the meat. But me go kinda left this little. Me go finish cut up this. And then me go start cut up them here. The season them. Well, me not go use so much pepper, so nobody look on the pepper them. So cut up them here and put in this. Here we have our season. We cut up two kind of pepper. This is purple pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, scallion, thyme, tomato. And me go actually use this season up the meat. This is not just all purpose. It's Maggi seasoning in this, but like me throw all kind of Maggi seasoning in like chicken, pork, fish, all purpose. So I'm gonna use this season up in meat and this black pepper. This is the barbecue sauce that I will be using. Swiss barbecue sauce with real honey. I'm not in the mood to boil no peas, so this is the peas. I think, I'm not sure. This is the peas I might use. This is the peas. Man, I'm mood right now for really go boil no peas and all of that. Cause as me say, my head hurt me, I not feel good, so I'll probably use this as the peas and the rice and peas. So we have everything here, I guess. The meat over there, so I go finish season up in meat. I go start season up in meat. So stay tuned for that. So guys, we just finished cut up the chicken and going to wash it with vinegar.
And when cooking, not all meats you can put vinegar on to wash it, because vinegar take out the flavor out of some
meat. We mostly put it on chicken.
Chicken, yeah. Chicken and fish and seafood is good for vinegar.
Vinegar is good for it, yeah.
Still don't let it stay too long. Drain the water of it.
And now I'm going to add my powder seasoning, the Maggi seasoning, and the onion and thing, and the black pepper. We're going to add everything.
This is a combination.
Yeah, me did tell them already. Combination of every Maggi seasoning. as I told you before.
Just with everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ginger. Wow, you know this.
I tell them ginger, onion, scallion, thyme, tomato, garlic. As I told you before, which she never in her kitchen, so she never knows. So see there. Top.
Because it's honey barbecue, you can put just a little
Bit of sugar.
on it, yeah.
We're gonna mix this up, let it go continue to. We don't call it marinate. The seasoning to soak in everything.
And you leave this to set for about 15 to 20 minutes. So that it, you know that it's the seasoning is soaking it.
So guys, we're gonna leave this to soak and start me here. And my mother go also there here. So after me put the cream in my hair, then probably we start fry all of this. Guys, this is what I will be using to cream my hair, and this is what my mother will be using to dye her hair. It's a black hair shampoo. So yeah, this is my cream, this is my hair, my mom's hair shampoo. I'm gonna put this in her hair first. So meanwhile I put this in her hair and it's a process. Like I get her hair black, she gonna start cream my hair. And meanwhile the cream are processing on my hair, I go probably start fry the chicken. So I'll see you when I start. My mother is here. So guys, I just finished apply the shampoo, the black shampoo in her hair. Now she gonna start cream mine. Guys, see what cream look like. I'm gonna mix the super with the regular. So we did have one little bit of super. I'm gonna mix it the regular. Hope you not do me hair nothing, but see what cream look like that I first dose. So I'm gonna mix up that and apply it to my hair. Guys, my hair just finished cream. Like the cream just go in there. So me I left it for process, and now me I go start fry the chicken them. So me can up and done cook because the time already late. Guys, me not gonna show no really everything, but see flour here. You put the chicken in off the flour, fry chicken. The pot are hot, the oil going to heat now, and we're gonna put oil in it and drop a piece of pepper and start the process. Right now, me I wash the rice, they put it on. Mommy, me I wash the rice, they put on it. So guys, me I try put everything in a pot, like mix the garlic, scallion, and me have a peas here, so we throw in a pot to put on it. So guys, there you have it. Me put salt, some sugar, scallion, thyme, pepper, and a piece of garlic and a little bit of oil in all of that. And I'm gonna make it go and boil it so I can throw rice in it. Oh, and I figure I'm gonna put my butter in it, and I'm gonna show you all the oily butter and what I use. So this is the oil I'm using. Healthy way vegetable oil, no cholesterol. And this is the butter that I'm using. And this is the salt that I'll be using. And this is the sugar I'm currently using. And I am going to use my coconut, Maggi coconut milk powder. See everything in there already. I'm going to throw this in now. Guys, I just add the rice. So we have everything in it now. So we're going to wait till it boils. So I'm going to cover it up now and wait till it boils. And see the update on the chicken. So hold on, the chicken they finish fry. And she mix up everything what we mix up.
Ketchup, barbecue sauce, and sugar. Guys,
I use Cal's tomato ketchup, the barbecue sauce, and the sugar.
Yeah.
Way back.
We make a little spew bag, as we would call it.
We don't have the fancy thing then, so we use what we have.
Right, and we combine all the ingredients, the sugar, the barbecue sauce, and the ketchup in this bag, and we put it into a very thick plastic bag that we are going to put it in this pot also. Cover the plastic bag and put it with a little water for it just to steam. So it's just the steam it's going to need after this now.
So guys, what she basically say, you see, after she put all of that barbecue sauce on the chicken, make it whole of it have the sauce, she go tie the bag and put full water in this and put it on the stove for it to boil. So see, meanwhile the water boil, the meat, the barbecue sauce, for me don't say, it has steam. Guys, me here finish cream and me blow it, you know, we left it flat iron. This is just the blowout. So you left the flat iron. And when the flat iron is done, mommy rinse out her hair. So she put the water in it. And she put something in the bottom. She put the bag in, so the bag don't go on the bottom of the pot and stick and burn. Okay.
And put a tight
I will run over upon the stove.
a tight lid on it.
And she go cover it up and make it steam. So guys, me see when the food done cook and share out and everything finish. Guys, this is the end result of the barbecue chicken. We're going to, as me say, see how it looks after it barbecues. This is just like, we want big chicken, you know, it's a family meal. So we cook for the rice, the other side cook for them rice, but see for them guys. See how me look here.
You hold it too high.
So guys, see the rice and peas. Well, I don't know what kind of peas this. It don't make your rice and peas look red. You know, it just make it look white. See them? So this is everything. Guys, we are going any video here, so cause everybody tired. Yeah, sure the food don't forget eat. I mean, I just got any video here so before me forget for any video. So guys, I got any video here, so you see the outcome of me here after a flat iron. I got left in one next video. As you guys see, me sweaty, me hot and rain and fall. So guys, in our next video, me show you now how me here look during steps them when it a flat iron and how I look after I done flat iron. So guys, as you, I love you. I see you soon. Bye.